Alright, welcome to a fresh new episode, and this time I've got something amazing. I'm gonna tell you that how you can make some premium intros on your smartphone. Well, it's not going to be limited to intros only, but you can use the text animations in a lot of more places. It can be your videos, anywhere on social media, presentation video, or somewhere else. So today I will tell you 5 Android apps for making amazing premium intros. So with that being said, let's enter the video. The first on the list is Legend Animation Text. Well, this is a free to use small application which offers various type of minimal text animations. And you just have to enter the desired text and then you can select any preset, and also you can change the video's background. You will find some great animations in this application. Just make sure you're exporting the video in landscape and the resolution is set at 1080p. Once you are done, then just click on export button and click on save as video option, and your intro video will be ready. By using any video editor, you can add any beats or music in the intro for making it complete to use. You will find the link of the applications below in the video's description, and here you can see some amazing intros which can be created using this application. The second is the Pixelflow. This app is free to use, but most of the good animations are available on Pro membership. But I have provided the free app link below in the description, and you can make amazing animations using Pixelflow. As soon as you will download the app, you will have to select the text animation preset first. For previewing any animation, just tap on it once, and after selecting the preset, click on the edit button. Now you can completely customize the intro. You can enter your desired text, you can change the font color, the layout colors, and also you can change the background. And the background is not only limited to a static image, but you can use any video in the background for making it more premium. And also you can add some royalty-free music in the background and some amazing animations for making a perfect intro. In some of the presets, you also get options for animating your logo. So this was about Pixelflow. Now next move to our next application. Now the third we have is the intro video maker. Well, this application is full of ads, so it will be great if you use any ad blocker for using it. Now when you will open the app, you will see a lot of presets on the home screen. You will also see some amazing logo animation presets where you can just add your logo image file and you can animate it and you can get an intro. So you just have to select the preset and then you will need to add your logo image file. Also, you can customize the speed and other effects of the video. So for creating a minimal or 2D intro, this application is a great option. Then the fourth app on the list is Intro Lab. Well, in this app you get a lot of categories and every category has different templates to choose from. Like if you want an intro for food based channel, then you will need to select the category food. If it is tech based, you will need to select the category technology. But I'm going with gaming one. So now here you can see different intro templates for gaming channels, and you can select any of them and you can customize it. You will see some locked intros too, which can be unlocked by watching advertisements. And once you are done with the editing, you can export the video in high resolution and your intro video will be ready. The last we have is Panzoid.com. Well, it is not an app, but still you can make the intro on your smartphone. So all you need is to visit Panzoid.com and then you will see a lot of templates over there. Well, you will get text-based animations here only, and the best thing is that you can make 3D intros using this website. So first select any intro preset and then you can customize it according to you. And you can render full resolution video for free. Panzoid is a great option for those who need intros for gaming channel. So that's all for today, and I hope you all have liked the application as well as the video a lot. And you can download the application from the link which is given below in the video's description. And if you guys like the video, then make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I am DeVan and I will catch you in the next one.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away.